Welcome back to The Average Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make some amazing air-fried chicken wings in this new single-lid Ninja FOODI XL pressure cooker, steamer, air fryer, you name it, it does it all. All right, so I've got roughly a pound of raw chicken wings here. I'm going to add probably 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. My air fryer is preheating, so I'm going to give that a little bit of vegetable oil, mix that up, and then I'll throw in some cornstarch, which should help with crisping up our wings. Probably just maybe not quite even half a teaspoon. And then I'm just going to take a glove and mix these up. Now, we have done wing videos before in different reviews. Everybody has a different level of their doneness or crispiness. Myself and Jamie are crispy wing guys. To me, it's worth you a little bit of extra time to make sure that they're cooked the way you like them. So I'll get rid of that glove. All right, so let's open up our air fryer here. And we're just gonna dump those wings right in. And we're gonna be keeping an eye on those and giving them a toss probably every 10 to 12 minutes. So I got it set here for 42 minutes. I'll set it for 40. It probably won't take that long, but that'll give us a good starting point. So we're 13 minutes in on the wing cook here. We don't have a huge amount of wings. I've done, in my previous air fryer, done bigger batches of wings, and I find sometimes they can kind of stick together, so you gotta shake them more often. Because this is a smaller batch, I'm not too concerned with that. But you can have a quick look. They are cooking up nice, but we'll just, yeah, so they're all loose and not sticking to the bottom or anything like that, as they shouldn't, but kind of nice just to have a quick look and see how they're progressing. 27 minutes into our cook, let's have a look. Okay, those are done and extra crispy just the way we like them. So that was 27 minutes to cook those. Again, small batch, but yeah, there you have it. So let me get a plate. That threw me off. So I'm gonna say maybe they're like a minute or two over, even for our liking. Oh, they're pretty nice, actually. Nice and golden brown, nice and crispy. Beautiful wings. Can't wait to try those. Not gonna bite into them yet because they're gonna be crazy hot, but looking forward to trying those. Let me grab a wing here and some a little bit of Frank's buffalo that I like. Try them out. Super crunchy. Actually, they're cooked really well. They're kind of on the smaller side, the wings, but they're actually really, really good. You can still see really nice, moist inside. Really nice. That's our air fried chicken wing video. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.